its own app where you can edit. It's freaking
Now
awesome.
prepare to enjoy the power and speed of the mythical Griffon.
It's starting to get close to beer a buck, baby. Let's go! Mythical Griffon! Bam! We're out here. Griffon being manufactured. The second dive coaster in the United States. Busch Gardens Williamsburg. Here we go. Would you do this? Would you ride this? There it is, dude. I always thought it was pretty funny.
I never knew that all the water was awesome.
What's up?
I never recognized it.
Oh yeah. Have you? Is this your first time here?
No, I've been here a couple times. I don't remember that.
I always thought it was funny that the main view
there's the old Busch.
is the Anheuser-Busch freaking the old brewery.
They don't use that anymore, do they?
I'm not sure. It don't look like it.
Woo!
Oh no! Oh yeah! Let's go! First drop is awesome. Would you ride this?
Yeah.
Would you do this? Let's go! I got so wet. Oh! I actually got wet there.
That's really good.
Let's go. This or Sheikah, dude? I've never
I don't know.
never
This might be
decided. They're both really good. I always go back and forth, dude. I'm never sure which one.
They're both good.
Yeah, they're both great. All right, man. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
These are